in Spider-Man's illegal vigilantism, you were his main accomplice.
I would like to have my words stricken from the record.